Welcome to another episode of Basic Info Tales. Today we'll embark on a fascinating journey to explore some of the slowest animals on our planet. From the lush rainforests to the depths of the ocean, these creatures have adapted to a slow-paced life, each in their unique environments. Their unhurried existence offers a unique perspective on the diversity of life and the remarkable adaptations that allow animals to thrive in even the most unexpected ways. Let's dive in and learn more about them. High in the canopy of Central and South American rainforests, a master of slowness reigns supreme, the three-toed sloth. Living up to its name, this arboreal mammal moves at an average speed of 0.24 kilometers per hour. This leisurely pace is a result of their diet, primarily consisting of leaves which offer minimal energy. To survive on such a low-energy food source, sloths have evolved incredibly slow metabolisms and spend the majority of their lives hanging upside down in the trees. This inverted lifestyle minimizes energy expenditure, allowing them to conserve precious resources. Despite their languid movements, sloths are surprisingly adept at swimming, using their long arms to propel themselves through the water with unexpected grace. Mothers typically give birth to a single offspring, which clings to its mother's belly for about 5 months, learning the art of slow living from an early age. On remote islands like the Galapagos and Aldabra Atoll, we encounter another icon of slowness, the giant tortoise. These gentle giants are renowned for their longevity, often exceeding 100 years. Their movements, much like their lifespans, are measured and deliberate, averaging a speed of 0.3 kilometers per hour. Giant tortoises are herbivores, spending their days grazing on grasses, leaves, and even cacti, their strong jaws crushing through tough vegetation. Reproduction for these ancient creatures is a slow and steady process. Female tortoises lay clutches of eggs in sandy nests, leaving the incubation to the warmth of the sun. After 110 to 130 days, tiny hatchlings emerge, ready to begin their own long and leisurely lives. In our own backyards, a miniature marvel of slowness makes its home, the garden snail. These unassuming creatures, found in gardens, forests, and fields worldwide, move at a pace of 0.03 miles per hour. Their secret? A muscular foot that glides effortlessly on a trail of mucus. This slimy secretion not only facilitates their movement, but also protects their soft bodies from rough surfaces. Garden snails are herbivores, their rasping tongues devouring leaves, stems, and flowers with surprising efficiency. Reproduction for these gastropods is equally fascinating. Snails are hermaphrodites, meaning each individual possesses both male and female reproductive organs. After mating, they lay eggs in the soil, and after a few weeks, tiny snails emerge, ready to embark on their own slow-paced journeys. Chapter 4. The Starfish, a celestial dance across the ocean floor. Beneath the waves, a celestial wonder glides across the ocean floor. The starfish. These captivating creatures, found in oceans worldwide, move at a leisurely pace of 0.02 miles per hour. Their secret lies in thousands of tiny tube feet located on their undersides. These tube feet, controlled by a complex hydraulic system, allow starfish to move, albeit slowly, in any direction. Starfish are fascinating predators, their diet consisting of mollusks, small fish, and detritus. Using their powerful arms, they pry open the shells of their prey, releasing their stomachs to digest their meals externally. Reproduction in starfish is equally remarkable, with both sexual and asexual methods employed. Some species release eggs and sperm into the water where fertilization occurs externally, while others reproduce asexually, regenerating new individuals from fragmented body parts. Chapter 5. The Koala, a Eucalyptus-Fueled Slumber. In the eucalyptus forests of Australia, we encounter a master of sleep and slow motion, the koala. These adorable marsupials spend up to 18 hours a day sleeping, their movements when awake characterized by a languid grace. Their slow-paced lifestyle is a direct result of their diet, which consists almost entirely of eucalyptus leaves. Eucalyptus leaves are low in nutrients and contain toxins that require significant energy to digest, contributing to the koala's lethargic nature. Mothers give birth to a single joey, which spends its first 6 months of life nestled safely in its mother's pouch. Once old enough, the joey will cling to its mother's back, learning the art of energy conservation and eucalyptus appreciation. Chapter 6. The Banana Slug, a Slimy Serpentine Journey. In the damp forests of North America's Pacific coast, a bright yellow denizen glides silently through the undergrowth, the banana slug. These intriguing creatures, named for their resemblance to ripe bananas, move at a leisurely pace of 0.3 kilometers per hour. Their movement, much like that of their snail cousins, is facilitated by a muscular foot and a trail of slime. Banana slugs are detritivores, playing a crucial role in their ecosystem by breaking down decaying plant material, fungi, and animal droppings. Reproduction for these slimy creatures is an intriguing affair. Banana slugs are hermaphrodites, and their mating rituals can involve elaborate dances and the exchange of sperm. After mating, they lay their eggs in moist, protected areas, ensuring the next generation of banana slugs will continue their slow and steady decomposition work. Chapter 7. The Manatee, a gentle giant of the waterways. In the warm coastal waters of the Caribbean, Gulf of Mexico, Amazon Basin, and West Africa, we encounter a gentle giant, the manatee. These graceful herbivores, also known as sea cows, move at a leisurely pace of 5 kilometers per hour. Their slow, deliberate movements belie their massive size, with adults reaching lengths of up to 4 meters and weighing over 500 kilograms. Manatees are herbivores, spending their days grazing on sea grasses and freshwater vegetation. Their slow metabolism and the buoyancy of the water allow them to conserve energy, contributing to their relaxed lifestyle. Female manatees typically give birth to a single calf, which stays with its mother for up to 2 years, learning the ways of the waterways and the importance of slow, steady grazing. Chapter 8. The Slow Loris, a Nocturnal Enigma of the Rainforest. As darkness descends upon the rainforests of Southeast Asia, a nocturnal enigma emerges, the slow loris. These enigmatic primates are masters of stealth and deliberate movement, their large eyes adapted for excellent night vision. Slow lorises move cautiously through the trees at a pace of around 2 kilometers per hour. Their deliberate movements a form of defense against predators. They are omnivores, their diet a curious mix of insects, small mammals, fruit and tree sap. Their slow movements and venomous bite make them formidable hunters, allowing them to ambush prey with surprising speed. Mothers typically give birth to 1 or 2 offspring which cling tightly to their mother's fur, learning the art of slow, deliberate movement and the importance of stealth in the rainforest shadows. Chapter 9. The Gila Monster, a venomous beauty with a leisurely pace. In the arid landscapes of the southwestern United States and northwestern Mexico, a venomous beauty makes its home, the Gila Monster. This striking lizard, with its beady eyes and brightly colored beaded skin, is a master of camouflage and slow, deliberate movement. Gila monsters are often found moving at speeds of only 1.5 miles per hour. Their slow metabolisms a reflection of their harsh desert environment. They are carnivores, their diet consisting primarily of small mammals, birds, and eggs. Their venom, delivered through grooved teeth in their lower jaw, is potent but rarely fatal to humans. Female Gila monsters lay clutches of eggs, burying them in the sand to incubate. After about 4 months, miniature Gila monsters emerge, ready to begin their lives in the slow lane of the desert. Chapter 10. The Nudibranch, a dazzling dance of colors in slow motion. In the coral reefs and rocky seafloors of our planet's oceans, a dazzling spectacle unfolds in slow motion, the nudibranch. These marine mollusks, sometimes referred to as sea slugs, are renowned for their extraordinary colors and intricate patterns. Nudibranchs move at a snail's pace, literally, gliding along at speeds of around 0.01 to 0.5 inches per second. Their lack of a protective shell has led to the evolution of other defense mechanisms, including vibrant colors that warn predators of their toxicity. They are carnivores, their diet consisting primarily of sponges, anemones, and other small marine organisms. Reproduction in nudibranchs is as diverse and fascinating as their appearance. They are hermaphrodites, and their mating rituals often involve the exchange of sperm. After mating, they lay spiral-shaped egg masses, often attached to rocks or coral, ensuring the next generation of these slow-moving wonders will continue to grace our oceans with their vibrant beauty. Outro celebrating the slow lane. Thank you for joining us on this slow-paced journey through the animal kingdom. From the sloth's leisurely treetop existence to the nudibranch's vibrant crawl across the ocean floor, these animals remind us that speed isn't everything. Their remarkable adaptations and unhurried lifestyles offer a unique perspective on the diversity of life on Earth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your favorite slow animal in the comments below.